Hi guys, Love Aaj Kal released, and apart from Karthik's and Sara's chemistry, something that caught our eye was how flawless Sara looked throughout the movie. Her looks were all about being natural, youthful and letting the skin breathe. So today I'm taking inspiration from her looks in the movie and trying to recreate this everyday makeup look for college and office. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. I love how effortless this look is, and it's really easy to recreate with a very few products. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to POPxo Daily.